Good evening, student. How are you all? Fine. You like to watch cartoons, right? Every day in TV you watch Chota Bheem, Augie the Cockroaches, or many more cartoons. What is your favorite character? Doraemon. Okay. Isn't it fun that if you create your own cartoon, we will be learning how to create cartoon in our computer class. Creating cartoon, we need to take help of one software. The software name is Pivot Animator. So what is Pivot Animator? It's a software which help us to create animation. What is animation means? These cartoons, you can see na cartoon characters are moving. Nobita is going to school and Doraemon is also going with him. Doraemon is talking. The way they are doing, this option is called animation. So these are called so we will be learning also how to create this animation. Our first chapter name is Playing My First Animation. And which software you are using? We are using Pivot Animator. To open Pivot Animator, you can click on the Pivot Animator shortcuts on desktop. Or what you can do, you can click on Start button. You can click on Start button and you can click on Stickman Animator. Double click on the Stickman logo and then make it big. So this is a new file we are creating. Now you can see one figure, right? This figure is called Stickman. What is called? Stickman. We will be making it running. You can see lots of red dots here, isn't it? What is this red dots are for? This is for helping us to move the stickman's hand, leg, head. So if I want to make it do some exercise, I can do it with the help of this red dot. See how it is moving? Click on any red dot and try to move it. It will move. Wherever you will leave your mouse, then it will stop. See? You can do this one, you can do this one. Okay. So these red dots are called segment handle. What is called? This is called segment handle. It helps us to move the parts of stickman. It helps us to move the parts of stickman. Now I want to move our stickman from one place to another place, because if you drag this red buttons and all, it will not go till you click on this button. This is called orange origin. What is called? This is the orange origin. Take this one and then release it. Take click on and then release it. Click on, release it. This white area is called drawing area. Okay, so click on and release it. Now I want to make it, or I want to make it some walking or doing some exercise. How we will do it? To do it, we need to have some frames. What is these frames are? While you see any animation, you see cartoon is moving. How it moves? Actually, there is a lots of pictures set in one by one, And one by one, this displaying the picture, it's creating as if it is walking, yeah, it is talking, it's going on. So we will also create. We will be creating frame to create our animation. Let us do some normal exercise which we do at home. You all are doing exercise, right? If you not, please start doing at morning. So just move it. Yes. See, add this one in. Just clicking on next frame, you can see one full big area on top. This top area is called timeline. Timeline stores all the frame, because to create any animation you need to have lots of frame. Now let it make it down again in this way. Next frame. So first frame is this, second frame is this. Now in third frame, let us move this one, or this one, make it straight. You can do anything what you want. Okay, so we will be creating nice cartoon. This way you can move it. This is my next frame. Now let me bend it. Keep its hand on this back, and again. Now again make it straight. Keep this one here. Next frame. Now make it and keep it like this. Next frame. And this frame, so every time you're giving any new position of your stick man, what you have to do, you have to click on next frame, because these all image positions are recording in timeline. Where it is recording, it's keeping on timeline. So click this one, it's done. Now let it move little bit and let this position moving like this. So we have created many frames. You can create any frame. Okay, you will be creating a working stickman by moving his leg in a position like it is started working. Same positions you will be creating at home. Okay, you need to download pivot animator to work it on. So now I want to see my animation. How I will see? Click on play button. See whatever I have created, whatever I can see, this all is going. Stop. Play. Stop. Play. So uh, conti- this is continuously playing. Why this is continuously playing? Because I have kept on repeating. Click on. So it will stop. Play one time and stop, because now there is no clicking. Play. Play. Click on repeat. This way we can create our animation. Once we create our animation, we need to save it so that next day or any other time we can open and we can see it. So click on the file. Now click on the save animation. Type your animation name, my first animation. Click on save. So your animation is saved. Now you can exit from the animation. Click on file and click on exit. Click on file and click on exit button. Well, click on exit button. You will say, would you like to save the current project? Yes. Click on yes. We have, again, if we are asking, so give the name and out. So what you have learned today, we have learned to create how to, we have learned how to create animation, how to make our sequence move, and how to save it. Next class, we will do more animation. Till then, thank you. Bye.